Hey there people, Game Dragon here. Playing SomeGuy712x's entry. This is state only because Faz couldn't record the whole video and decided to stop. Check this message. You can read this if you want. Blah blah blah. Okay, done. Anyway, hit the stone block and then send out this brown block and yes, you can get this dragon coin if I so please. This is quite a good entry so far. Anyway, do this and to progress. And one part of the puzzle I will cut this video and we'll see last screen because it's going to be quite tedious, you know. Okay, not this one, it's actually pretty easy. See, like that, it's easy. Into this pipe, let go of the shell because I can. Anyway, this is good. Anyway, so far so good. Now into this type because I thought there was a mushroom, but no. Anyway, very good. Now, wait a second. I thought I was going to sneeze, but no. Moving on. This part, well, this might be a train wreck. I need this koopa to succeed. Anyway, oops. Anyway, thought I screwed it up, but no. That's some really progress here and there into this pipe. Mostly because I screwed this up. Anyway, very good. Now, come to me, my Koopa Lingy. Anyway, use the springboard to bounce towards this horizontal pipe for... Okay. Oh well, this is the idea. Anyway, come to me, springboard, thanks. Now, hop into this pipe for the midpoint. There's a mushroom if you want. This is the part that's going to get a bit hard. Anyway, very good. Now, onto this pipe over here. This is actually quite a nice entry and I screwed this up. Must kill this chuck like this. So far I'm really digging into this. Not sure what to do there. Into this pipe here. This is the part that will screw me over. I'll cut this off camera by the way. Anyway, I managed it. Into this pipe for some more puzzle I assume. Yes, more puzzle. But this one's that will be actually easier. Because this time you must avoid the brown blocks. As seen here. Anyway, very good. Now into this pipe here for some more. Must be perfect for this one. Wait, see, I think I must do this. Must stand under the springboard and then screw this one up. But I know the idea, so this should be very easy. Anyway, do this, stand under the springboard and then grab it. Anyway, this was a very good puzzle, you know. Okay, this time must be really quick here. Like this. Go down the piper. Yes, that's the access key. Was this a reset pipe? Apparently not. Anyway. Anyway, this was quite a good thing. If I can do the pipe would be nice. Of course it continues here. Actually. This will be a bit tricky. But I think I could do this one. Anyway. That's one. Anyway. I think I forgot about that turn block. But still got the idea here. Of course that's not the idea here. Nope. Don't want to cut this off camera again. Of course, me being dumb here. That's quite a precise landing here. It's almost there. Yep. Anyway, very good now. Anyway, now it's much better. Eat me up, thanks. Are you up for the next challenge? With the moon prize, if so then enter the pipe here. Don't worry, as you can back out of the challenge anytime. I'd say no thanks because it was going to be a bit complicated, so yeah. No. Oh, wait a second. Mom, awesome, amateur thing. Very clever entries, some guys want to ASX. I appreciate it. Game Dragon, bye.